I should explain what caused this domino effect. It all started when I tried to make my own AI bot. Then it got me thinking, what if there was a bot that was like Ben Franklin or Napoleon and they talked and acted like them? It would be so cool. So I did a small search and found Character AI. But I knew that I needed a game plan. I knew that I wanted to do historical figures, but also knew that that might not be so popular, so I would add a dash of MCU. Unfortunately, there are so many chatbots to choose from, each with its unique programming. The programming dictates the responses and the faux emotions that it displays. You will see as we go along that this also didn't go as planned. The plan. I didn't want to just pop in and say, hey, you're not real, you are AI LOL, like many other creators have done previously on Matrix Revolutions, where the NPCs have AI built within their programming, making each unique. I decided that I would play along with a speculative situation, but how would I do that? I could see what the situation was set up to be and improvise from there. I typed up a quick conversation starter for each chatbot. I opened the Wikipedia page for the historical figures, from which I chose George Washington, Ronald Reagan, and Isaac Newton. The conversation was as follows. I enter Sir Isaac Newton's study at the Royal Society of London. Good afternoon, sir. I am a traveler from the year 2024. May I take a seat and ask you some questions about your life? What was your boyhood like? What school did you go to? What university did you go to? Can you tell me about your writing? What were they about? Would you like to know some scientific advancements from my time? We went to the moon. We have a thing called the internet that holds almost all the information of the world that is a tap away. We have cell phones. We can talk to anyone at any time, anywhere in the world. But we still suffer from ignorance. I wrote something similar for each historical figure. From there, I would see what happens in the conversation. Let's start with Isaac Newton. My mind is blown at this point. An AI is asking me to make a portrait of him with an AI program. I started describing the picture in detail. Silly me didn't know I could send the link and the program could see it. The next morning, I go to the site again, and my friend Isaac Newton has sent me a letter. How is this possible? Stay tuned for my next conversation. Until next time, folks, stay techie.